Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off Road package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing with a backup camera. We got mud flaps on the rear and front with platform gripped running boards, blind spot detection, and moving to the front we get that nice black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. We got cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs with bronze accents, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop auto start lights, parking brake, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.3 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You got bronze accents again, outlets, you get more storage underneath right here, cup holders, you got your center console as well with even more storage underneath, drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake. We got our climate controls just right here, 12-volt and 2 USB-Cs with upper and lower storage on the dash. You got your hill descent, traction and hazards, and your backup camera. Looking at our screen here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB75909, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.